AJE o onísọ̀bòjì AJE jẹ́ mi tàtà jèrè ọjà AJE ìyàbùsọ̀ mi AJE o AJE wọgbà gbogbo wa AJE o.
AJE, deity of wealth. Ife is well known as the city of 201 deities.
BSc, our Imperial Majesty, is the father of all idols in Ife. When you say we have 201 idol, 201 is the only one living and is controlling every one of the idols.
It is said that every day of the year, the traditional worshippers celebrate a festival of one of these deities. Often, the festival extends over more than one day, and they involve both priestly activities in the palace and theatrical dramatization in the rest of the kingdom. Historically, the king only appeared in public during the annual Olojo festival. Other important festivals include the Atakpa festival for Obatala and Obamiri, the Edi festival for Moremi Ajanshoro, Ageri masquerade, and AJE festival. AJE, deity of wealth, is a mother and a goddess created at the dawn of time, sent to earth alongside Olokun, goddess of the ocean.
Cosmology is one of the divinities who descended to this firmament, to this part of the world, at a particular time when there was need for a revisit of buying and selling, which never happened until her ascension into the world.
There's a woman descended down from heaven with Ooni of Ife, the father of Osoda market. Now, in the olden days, there's no market. But Ooni of Ife and his son, market, conspire together and create Ile-Ife.
Cowries was the first currency or race of the world spent in the first market. The first currency in the world created by nature from beneath the sea. It was first spent and discovered at Ejigbo market in Ile-Ife under the administration of AJE.
Ile-Ife was the very first place to spend cowrie became
She has a store at the center of the Ejigbo market, as it was called during Ooni of Ife.
The market was owned by two of our main ancestors, Ooni of Ife and Obatala. They were ruling by battle. Obatala was ruling by battle. Ooni of Ife was ownership. So the two of them combined to set up a market called AJE.
Cowrie shells are found in the ocean, and this was the first legal tender that people spent during the tenure of AJE.
The descendants of Oramfe Onile still today gather at the spot of AJE's shop within Ejigbo market, where she served as Iyaloja. AJE AJE is an important festival which the people believe to boost the economy. Markets in Ile-Ife were closed for business for the celebration by indigenous. The people believe that AJE festival will bring more profit as it will attract well-meaning people into the town to boost its economy. The festival starts with the procession of the custodian of the AJE, in which Oloye or Yasin is to lead from the palace of the Ooni to the grove of the deity, spreading salt and other important ingredients used on the floor to pray for the king and the people. With this, the chief prepared the people for the festival and also create a safe atmosphere for the king in preparation for his movement to the shrine of the deity, where he will pray for the people and visit the market.
They know the time to worship this AJE, because Ife believe that it's one of the angels of God.
AJE, the daughter of Olokun Seniade, came as a blessing into the and descended to the market of, to the center, a place called Oja.
Anybody from London down to this Nigeria is looking for money. Those of us moving from here to London to America, we need money. So everybody is searching for money. And when you pray that this is what we want through him, because he stands as interpreter.
Prior to the time of AJE Oniso Obobi, there was no buying and selling per se. Need for Oramfe to beckon to God, to ask for peace, boom of economy and other factors and values.
That's peace. It brings peace. It brings tranquility. It brings something that is very calm. When the market is very calm, when things flow well, things will be good. Although there's a lot of things in the market, but once it's well organized, it's only peace and peaceful coexistence that can make the market to be very organized. So that's the essence of peace. And those, they have one characteristics. Every part of those, they bring a lot of prosperity. Anywhere you see those, they usually big things in bits and pieces. Yoruba will say, Okwara Ile-Ife kore wole. Àtọ̀tún àtòsí àtọwọ́ àtẹsẹ̀ àtòrí Ile-Ife kore wole.
The Ooni is to go to Ile-Ife to pray for the people of Ile-Ife, the Osun people. the Yoruba race, and Nigeria in general. Early before now, the AJE festival has always been celebrated along Olokun festival, but was singled out to be worshipped by the present king.
If in the current time the divinity of AJE is being separately worshipped or celebrated, there may be need for it. Probably there is a call for it. Probably there is a directive from Ifa, the oracle, that should be done. I cannot say. But I am of the view that any community that deceased from pouring libation or respecting some divinities of the land, which is part of their heritage, there may be need for lack. Probably the incumbent royalty, His Imperial Majesty Adimola Olofe Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II feels that there is need for separation because the divinity of AJE stands unique in his own respect, and there may also be some other reasons best known to the royalty and the throne of Ojaja II.
One important secret about the festival is that the custodians of this deity are to be in a secret room for 7 days, where they are to stay and perform some prayers or rituals before the actual day of the festival.
7 days, 7 nights.
Which are not harmful to anyone, but for the benefit and the success of the festival, that their sacrifice be accepted by the gods.
Ojú owó máa fi ra ọjà, èrè orí ẹ̀ ní àpèjì kí ni a lè fi ṣe àpèjú ẹ̀jẹ̀ owó ẹ̀yọ nílé ayé àtijọ́. Tí owó ẹ̀yọ bá ti lé sí bóyá ọ̀kẹ́ méjì tàbí ọ̀kẹ́ mẹ́ta fi ra ọjà, tó bá fi ọ̀kẹ́ mẹ́ta ra ọjà lójú ni wọ́n kó tà ní ọ̀kẹ́ mẹ́rin, ẹ̀yọ kan orí ẹ̀ lé ní ajé tó wọ́n gbà ẹ̀. Nítorí ìdí èyí ó jẹ́ ipò tó jẹ́ pé a máa ń ṣàwárí ẹ̀ púpọ̀, ó dàbí bí a ṣe ń ṣàwárí owó náà ni. Owó gbogbo ayé ló ń lé ipa ẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n ṣe ń lépa owó ẹyọ ní ayé àtijọ́. Owó ẹyọ Olódùmarè ni wọ́n pèsè láti inú òkun wá. Ẹni tí ó bá fẹ́ yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún wọn máa ń yọ̀ǹda ẹ̀ fún. Nítorí dé ní ìdí ajé ni owó ẹyọ tí à ń pè ní owó ní ayé ìgbà ni ó ṣe máa ń pèsè.
Different from Olojo festival, where the Ooni alone is to go out for 5 days and pray for the people and to speak alone with the deity. The people are given access to the deity alone in AJE festival. The result of their fervent prayer is to be known on the day of festival through the kola nut. The kola nut which will all be open and will be thrown up, in which 2 is to face up and 2 is to face down. If not, then the sacrifice is a waste. The dress code of the festival, white, is generated from the first medium of exchange, which is cowrie.
When they created this Ife, our forefathers are using cowries. I want the color of cowrie. That's right.
The Iyalojas and Babalojas of the town are expected to be part of the festival, which also include Iyaloja General of Nigeria, for Lasade Tinubu Ojo, present head of the Iyaloja. She is expected to lead other marketers and leaders across the country. AJE is a deity associated with festivities like Olojo Festival. Mankind still works to earn a living and restore a lifetime for her in AJE, in Ile-Ife, and globally as a spirit still answers the call of those who seek her sincerely. Sacrificial ingredients are rat, known as ekweda, palm oil, fish, salt. The musical instrument allowed in the AJE shrine is known as abele. The musical instrument played by the children is called ewo.